Did you know in the year 2020, 177 million Indians opted for online shopping, of which 45 million Indians were first-time online shoppers. If you feel it's a big number, well, by the year 2022, this number is expected to reach a whopping 228 million. Hey everyone, welcome back to A Beautiful Life. Let's talk about online shopping today and how you can become a smart online shopper. Online shopping has many advantages. It saves your time and effort. Wide range of products are available. They're always on discount and you get them at low prices. You can check all the details of a product before you order them. And most important, you have the convenience of shopping from your own home. Yes, that means you can buy sitting on your sofa or in your bedroom or from your dining table. You might have shopped online many times before, but are you a smart online shopper? Well, today I'll give you a few brilliant tips which will help you to be an intelligent, smart online shopper. So let's get started. Tip number 1 is select the platform carefully. Always choose from well-known platforms like Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, Tata Click, Ajio, and many more. There are many online stores available on various social media platforms as well, but not all are authentic. So choose wisely and carefully. Tip number 2 is read the reviews. Whenever you are placing the order for a product, make sure you read all the reviews given for it by certified users only. Many times a product only has ratings. Ratings means the stars that you see under every product. Now these stars can be, or these simple ratings can be a bot's work as well. So make sure you always look for authentic written reviews by certified users. If the review is good, you can definitely place an order and can be sure that you will receive a good product. Tip number 3 is time your purchase. When you buy can make a huge difference in what you pay. Plan your big purchases like appliances or electronics during the sale time. This will help you save good amount of money on things you eventually need, unless you need something in emergency. All the online portals hold their sales many times in a year, and their sale calendars are available on internet. So check these calendars before you buy any significant thing on which you can save a lot of money. Tip number 4 is compare prices before you commit. The beautiful thing about online shopping is that you can get almost about anything at the lowest prices possible, only if you know how to search. Same product from the same seller is available at 2 different prices on 2 different platforms. So make sure that you compare prices. You can see here the same dress from the same seller is available at 2 different prices on 2 different platforms, and the difference is almost about 350 rupees. Another example. See the same hair serum from the same brand available at 2 different prices on 2 different platforms with a price difference of rupees 40. So if you act smartly and compare prices before you place the order, you will always be in profit. Tip number 5 is look for discounts. Many websites offer discounts, coupons, and even cashbacks, but they don't always make it easy. You need to do a little digging first. There are some cashback apps and websites as well, which will give you extra cashback even on the discounted rates that you get on all these online shopping platforms. So make sure you look for discounts before you place the order. Follow these tips and you will be the smartest online shopper you ever know. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and if you feel it was even a little helpful to you, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye. Take care.